Hello Edison Owls! Welcome to the weekly Edison News. Filling in for Terrell, it's me, Stevie G, your host with the second most. Don't question it, I know it doesn't make sense. Now, let's get to the highlights of the week, the school announcements, and of course, your week's weather. Permission slips for Year 3 of the Sprint 1 Million project will be in the office for students and parents to pick up by the end of the day today. Sprint 1 Million is an initiative started by Sprint to get internet access to 1 million students across America. Permission slips that have been signed and completed by the student's legal guardian on both sides can be slid under the room 112 door. Permission slips will be accepted until Friday, May 24th. Put that on your calendar. Students will receive devices on a first-come, first-served basis, so, make sure to get there soon. In case a lot of you have forgotten, students have a school district Gmail account. Don't forget to check it for important information about trips, summer programs and jobs, scholarships, and anything that pertains to you. Students, if you are interested in applying for summer jobs, you must complete the online Work Ready application by next Monday, April 15th. Go to workready.org to begin the process. You will need to know your social security number to complete the online application. Something you should probably keep your entire life, by the way. Students, are you interested in a career in aviation maintenance? If so, AIM has a free summer program for you. Learn about aircraft structures, basic aerodynamics, fundamentals of flight, and more. 3 camps are available at AIM, located on 3001 Grant Avenue in Philadelphia, PA. There is limited space. If you are interested, you must call an RSVP at 215-676-7700. Follow the link below. That'll get you on the right track. Seniors Week is here. Here's your chance to be out of uniform and have some Instagram-worthy pictures. But remember to stay within the appropriate attire, don't wear really skimpy-looking things. Here are your themes for the week. Monday was Neon Day. Tuesday was Twin Triplet Day. Wednesday, which is today, is Celebrity Lookalike Day. Thursday was Throwback Thursday, dressed like any decade. And Friday was Nerd Day. Is Nerd Day. The Your Senior Luncheon will be on May 15th at the Concilio Banquet Hall from 11:30 to 3 p.m. The Senior Prom will be on May 24th at the Spirit of Philadelphia. Make sure you arrive by 6:30 because the boat leaves at 7:30 and comes back at 10:30. The Senior Trip will be on May 30th at the Neshaminy Shore Picnic Park. You'll depart Edison at 9:30. Make sure to be there. And finally, graduation will be on June 4th. Finally, the time has come. You've endured all this. And that's all for us here at the Edison Film Department. Mr. Espinal is our technical director, Luis Figueroa is our camera operator, and not only am I your host, but I'm also the editor. Bonus points if you can remember my name, by the way. Remember, teachers, if you have anything you want on the show, just email us by Monday and your news can be featured right here. Thanks for having me. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and as always, see you next week.